What's going on, guys? David here with you, and we had a pretty good day today. In this video, I just want to be talking a little bit about how my day went and different things that I encountered. I did film a little bit, but I want to try something a little different. So this morning we had a little late start, had some different things and paperwork we had to handle, parts we had to look up. I don't think we rolled out till about 10 o'clock this morning. Unfortunately, we like to get a little bit earlier start than that, but that's the way it happens. Had to travel down to Navarre. I had a dishwasher there that was, let's see, was it a dishwasher? What was my first one? Oh yeah, dishwasher for a property management company. And I knocked on the door. The tenant opened, and I was like, hey, I'm here to fix your dishwasher. And they was like, there's nothing wrong with the dishwasher. We've been here for a few days, and there's nothing wrong with it. So double checked it, made sure everything was good with it. That was the first one. That was for a property management company. So had that one. The next one was let's see, what was the next one? Was a oven range. Okay, the oven range, slide-in glass top oven range. And it, about back in July, it had a control board and a temp sensor put in it. So I got there, checked it, made sure we had power coming in from the block, going into the unit. Had proper power coming in. So I pulled the unit out, pulled the back panel off. Made sure we had proper voltage going to the bake element. The bake element just would not glow. It had voltage coming to it, but it just would not do like it was supposed to. And the tenant was saying that it's not cooking at proper temperatures. It's going way down. And so I checked it, and sure enough, I'm going to go with the bake element. It didn't have that particular one because it's a weird bake element. That was that one. And then we had... what was the other one I done? There's one before then. Oh yeah, we had a refrigerator. This was actually before the oven range. We had a refrigerator, side by side refrigerator. They said that it wasn't cooling properly. Looked at the evaporator. It had a pretty decent pattern on it. So I looked at the coils. Sure enough, the coils needed to be cleaned. So we cleaned the coils on that and got that taken care of. And then they asked me to look at the ice maker, under the counter ice maker. And they said there was some black stuff on there that looked like mold or whatever. And so I checked it out. The coils also needed to be cleaned on it. So I cleaned the coils on it and told them to reach out to the property management company so that they could contact them about that. Because it needed a pretty deep cleaning. But anyways, so that was that one. And then my next one, I had to go from Navarre back to Pensacola. Had to go get a part. I had a LG washer that I diagnosed. It was a door switch, and I didn't have this particular door switch on this front load LG washer. So we got that for the parts house. Rode over there, pulled the boot off, put the door switch in, got that fixed. Then I had to go, that was back in the A3, and then I had to go over to the O3, and let's see, what was there? Oh, I had a dishwasher, I had to put a circulation pump on, put the circulation pump on the dishwasher. And then my last one was a froze up Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator. Everything has been tearing up in this refrigerator. I originally got there, I checked the heater, I checked the bimetal, fans were running. So I went with the defrost. Well, originally I put a thermostat in there. Then it started freezing up. Then I put a defrost board in there. And every time I come back, I checked everything over again. And this last time I was there, the dang bimetal was bad. And that's the first thing I checked. The other 2 times I've been there, everything started messing up on it. So that was that for the end of the day. We were booked out, slammed, like, it's crazy. So, but we had a pretty good day. I do got to get a tire fixed on the van. I got to do some maintenance to the van. I got to keep the van up, do some maintenance to it. Got a couple things I got to do to that. But we had a pretty good, decent day today, I would say. And I'm going to start doing more of these videos like this, just kind of talk through the day, different things that I encountered. It was a pretty easy day. Easy diagnosis. The only thing that took the longest, I would say, would be the one at the end of the day, because I had to defrost it, and then I put a new bimetal in it. It just froze up pretty bad. But I just kind of chit-chat with the dude. They're pretty cool. Even though I've been there 4 times, they asked me, where can I leave you a review? You've been awesome. You've been great. See, that's what it's all about. You know what I mean? So even though I've been there and they understood, everything is just tearing up. But, hey, it was for a warranty call, and we're getting a good review out of that. But that's pretty much it for the day. Like I said, I'm going to be trying to upload 100 videos this year. 2020 is coming up. It's going to be a great year. And if I don't see you in the next couple of days, I'll for sure see you the weekend. I'm going to be doing some more videos. And this is David DC Appliance Repair. Hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And be sure to leave me a comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video.